Chris Swain, and I am the Technical Service Manager for MGK. NyGuard IGR is an insect growth regulator. Basically, it mimics the insect's JH hormones, and it fools the insect into believing it needs to stay in the immature stage. So if you can keep a large population of insects into the immature stage, eventually that population is going to go down. It's going to eventually crash. Key advantage of NyGuard versus Gentrol and Precor is that it's reduced risk and it's extremely versatile. What makes NyGuard so versatile is that you can use it on a large array of arthropods. You can use it on ticks, roaches, ants, fleas, cockroaches. You can literally use it on almost any arthropod. The second thing that makes it extremely versatile is you can use it indoors and outdoors and on a limited number of different use sites. Yes, there is new data concerning NyGuard and its use for mosquitoes. That data has to do with horizontal transfer. There was recently a study done by G.J. Devine and Associates. The study showed that if a mosquito lands on a surface that's been treated with NyGuard, it can actually pick up Pyriproxyfen, that's the active ingredient in NyGuard. It can then take that Pyriproxyfen to a different site. Now, if a mosquito picks it up in a harborage site, now this is the site where mosquitoes get together, shaded areas, trees, etc. They can actually transfer it to a breeding site. Breeding site is actually where they're laying the eggs into standing water. So by treating the harborage site, a mosquito can then pick up enough Pyriproxyfen and then contaminate a harborage site that may not be in the direct vicinity. To inhibit emergence at a breeding site, you need as little as 0.012 parts per billion of Pyriproxyfen, which is an extremely small amount. What happens is that the female mosquitoes will have a blood meal, and she'll land on a surface that's been treated with NyGuard. So if it's a leaf or whether it's a tree that's been treated with NyGuard, it actually picks it up on the legs of a mosquito. So the NyGuard's now transferred by the legs of a mosquito to a different site. So if it's a breeding site, the mosquito will land in that breeding site, for example, stand in water, and there's enough Pyriproxyfen to inhibit emergence in the water that she lands on. The most interesting conclusion was that just by treating a small number of harborage sites, you actually contaminate every single breeding site in that area and actually inhibit the larvae from becoming adults. That's the most important thing from that study.